Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is going to be an unboxing video. I am going to share with you some products that were sent to me by PandahallSelected to review. The company did reach out to me, asked me if I would be interested in reviewing some of their products. I agreed. They then allowed me to select the products I want to review, and now I'm going to share those products with you. I will be using these products in some upcoming projects, so definitely be on the lookout for that if you would like to see what I make. So I am going to link the company's website down below. I will also link the items down below so that you can find them easily if it's something you're interested in looking at. So the first item I selected was a 3-piece set of wide washi. I mean really wide. These are, let's see, 3 3/4 wide. And the reason they're curled up that way is because I did that, so I don't have to fuss and try to find the end of the washi in order to show it to you. But I do want to peel some of it so that you can see. It is beautiful. It's vintage looking. It has a nice stick. Even with that stick, I always use extra adhesive with washi. But this does really have a nice stick to it. And I love the how wide it is. That's why I selected these. So that is number one, row number one. You get all 3, and you get a pretty decent amount. Here is row number 2. Isn't it pretty? Love it. It's hard to find wide washi, at least that's aesthetically pleasing. These are aesthetically pleasing. They're so pretty. And I love the whole vintage vibe. And this is the 3rd row. Very pretty. So super excited about that. I also purchased some mini gift card envelopes. You get 70 pieces in 14 mixed colors. So I did fold one into the envelope so that you can see what it looks like. It does come pre-scored, so it's all scored. Basically, you would just fold the envelope or the flaps on those score lines, and then they come with a kind of like a notch and some little flaps, wings. I don't know what you would call these things. And the way that works is you basically would fold those little flaps up, slide them through that notch or that hole, and then fold them back, and so it would be sealed. So very pretty. The colors are great. You don't have any obnoxiously loud, bright colors. Some of them are metallic. They have like a metallic sheen to them. Some of them don't. I will say in this particular batch, and I don't know if this is the case with all of the batches, there's one color here that looks different than all the others in terms of the envelope itself. You see how these envelopes all have these kind of like rounded flaps? This one, the side flaps are a little shorter, but I would imagine it would work the same. Yeah, totally work the same. It's not a problem. You wouldn't even notice it once you fold the card down. I don't know if it's just this particular pack that had this or if it's all the packs that have this, but I just want to make you aware of that. I'll share with you the colors. You get this pretty green. All of them have like this satiny sheen, like more like a satin. Yeah, it's not glossy, that's for sure, but it definitely has a little bit of a satin satin finish going on here. You have this pretty orange. You have your white. Even the white has a little bit of a satin finish on them. Here's a red, blue, very pretty. Here's black. Has more like a gray vibe than a deep, deep, deep black. It's really pretty. It's like a dark gray, almost like I don't know. It's just, I'm getting more of a gray vibe than a true black. Here's gray. You have like this buttery yellow. And then you have a deeper yellow. It's a light blue, very light blue, almost like a baby blue. This, I thought this was black, but this has more like a copper, bronzy undertone more than anything else. Very pretty. Then you have a purple, a gold, a very muted gold, not bright at all. And then you have like this really, really pretty baby pink. And the reason I bought these is because I had ATC. Well, I selected these is because I have ATCs on the brain. And that's the project I'm going to use these for. And these, when closed, are the perfect size for ATCs. When folded and closed like this, it is, I believe, 2 3/4 by 4. Standard ATC is 2.5 by 3.5. So if you make ATCs and you do a lot of swaps, these would house your ATCs beautifully and make for some wonderful presentations and packaging. So just something to keep in mind. The final item I selected, and this is going to be interesting, are these shiny gilding flakes. You get a set of 2 in gold and silver. I'm looking forward to working with these. I'm going to use these to really, you know, step up some projects I have in mind. You get tons. I mean, this is packed. This is packed. These 2 containers are packed. And the colors are beautiful. The flakes vary from super small pieces to larger pieces. And I can't wait to play with these. I'm super excited. But again, so that is my share for this unboxing video, my friends. Again, I am going to link all of the products down below. And definitely let me know which is your favorite. What would you do with these items? And be on the lookout for my project videos. They will be posting starting next week. Thank you for watching, my friends. I truly do appreciate you. I hope you will come back and visit me again. Until next time, bye bye.